Why settle for ticket lines and overpriced popcorn when you can build a cinematic powerhouse right at home? Today, we're revealing the ultimate home theater setup for 2025: sound, screen, seating, and everything in between, so you can turn any room into a next-level movie and gaming experience. Let's build it. Section 1: The core sound system. The heart of any home theater is the sound, and if your system isn't Atmos ready, you're missing half the movie. Option 1: Dolby Atmos AV receiver setup. For full control and future-proof power, go with an AV receiver. Top picks include Yamaha RX, A6A, 9.2 channels, YPO calibration, HDMI 2.1. Denon AVR, X3800H, 9.4 channels, Dirac Live support. Sony STR, and 1000 eARC, 360 spatial sound mapping. Pair these with a quality 5.1.2 or 7.1.4 speaker layout, like Klipsch, Poke, or Yell AC, and you'll hear every raindrop, explosion, and whisper in pinpoint 3D. Option 2: all-in-one soundbar combo. No room for wiring and racks? Choose a flagship soundbar. Samsung Q990D, 11.1.4 wireless system, Dolby Atmos DTS, X Q Symphony. JBL Bar 1300X, detachable wireless rears, 12-inch sub, big power. Both offer real vertical surround and powerful bass. No AVR needed. Section 2: The display. TV versus projector. Big picture, big impact. Your display makes or breaks the experience. OLED TVs are perfect for small to mid-size rooms. LG C4 OLED, 4K per 120 Hz, HDMI 2.1, deep blacks, stunning contrast. Samsung S95D QD-OLED tech, perfect for darkroom viewing. But if you want the real cinema scale, projectors are the way to go. Hisense PX2 Pro, ultra-short throw, 4K triple laser. Epson LS800, 4K Pro UHD, ultra-bright, UST setup. Projectors require light control, but nothing beats a 120-inch wall-filling screen. Section 3: Seating and ambience. Comfort transforms viewing into an experience. Seating. Recliner theater chairs with cup holders, USB ports, and armrest storage. Or a plush sectional couch with adjustable headrests for family setups. Ambience upgrades. Smart lighting from Govee or Philips Hue for dynamic bias lighting. Acoustic panels or bass traps to tighten up the sound and reduce echo. You don't just want to watch movies, you want to feel them. Section 4: Wiring, power, and control. A home theater should be clean, smart, and seamless. Wiring and power. Use HDMI eARC for single cable simplicity. Add surge protectors and power conditioners for gear safety. Use cable raceways and mounts to hide wires cleanly. Control. Smart remotes like Harmony or TV-integrated apps. Or go hands-free with Alexa or Google Assistant. This is about building a system you're proud to show off. Section 5: Pro tips to maximize your setup. Speaker placement. Front left/right at ear level, center channel angled at listener. Dolby Atmos height modules on top of L/R or in ceiling if possible. Room calibration tools. Dirac Live, advanced room correction, Denon and AD. YPO, Yamaha's auto tuning. Odyssey multiple EQ XT32, Denon and Marantz. Smart app control. Update firmware regularly. Use mobile apps to tweak EQ inputs modes. These small tweaks make a big difference. OUTRO, from sound to scale, this is the blueprint. You've now got the blueprint to build the ultimate home theater. From Dolby Atmos sound to wall-sized visuals, comfort to control. Ready to start building? Drop your dream gear in the comments and tell us what you'd add. Subscribe for more breakdowns, speaker shootouts, and pro setup guides. And next up, top 5 best Dolby Atmos AV receivers for gamers in 2025. You don't want to miss it.